Pittsburg, Kansas. Pittsburg is a city in Crawford County, Kansas, United States, located in southeast Kansas near the Missouri state border. It is the most populous city in Crawford County and southeast Kansas. As of the 2010 census, the city population was 20,233. On October 23, 1864, a wagon train of refugees had come from Fort Smith, Arkansas, and was escorted by troops from the 6th Kansas Cavalry under the command of Colonel William Campbell. These were local men from Cherokee, Crawford, and Bourbon counties. Their enlistment was over, and they were on their way to Fort Leavenworth to be dismissed from service. They ran into the 1st Indian Brigade led by Major Andrew Jackson Piercy near the current Pittsburg wastewater treatment plant. They continued to the north when a small group of wagons broke away in an unsuccessful rush to safety. The Confederate troops caught up with them and burned the wagons. The death toll was 3 Union soldiers and 13 civilian men who had been with the wagon train. It was likely that one of the Confederates had also been killed. A granite marker memorial for the Cow Creek skirmish was placed near the Crawford County Historical Museum on October 30, 2011. Pittsburg sprang up in the fall of 1876 on a railroad line being built through the neighborhood. It was named after Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and maps of the time give the town's name as New Pittsburgh. George Hobson and Franklin Plater are credited with being the city's founders, establishing a government after its beginnings as a coal mining camp in the 1870s. The city was incorporated in 1879. The new was dropped upon incorporation of the city as a third-class city on June 21, 1880, with M. Snow as its first mayor. In 1892 it was advanced to a city of the second class. In 1905 Pittsburg attained the rank of first class. The first dwelling was built by J.T. Roach in July 1876. The first post office in Pittsburg was established in August 1876. The post office's name was shortened from New Pittsburgh to Pittsburgh in 1881 and to Pittsburgh in 1894. The latter renaming came after the United States Board on Geographic Names, in the interest of standardization, recommended that the H be dropped from place names ending in burg. In 1910, the population of Pittsburg was over 14,000. Pittsburg is the home to Pittsburg State University, founded in 1903 as a normal training institution. Through the years the college became more diversified in its aims and goals, so that it became a multi-purpose institution. It has always had a strong manual and industrial arts program and has trained many of the area's public and private school teachers. In 1879, 2 miners from Joplin began the first commercial attempts at mining in close proximity of Broadway Street. A relic of the city's coal mining days was the Pittsburgh and Midway Coal Company, founded in 1885, and one of the oldest continuously running coal companies in the United States. In September 2007, Chevron, which owned the company, merged it with its Molycorp Incorporated coal mining division to form Chevron Mining, thus ending the Pittsburgh corporate name. Midway referred to a coal camp in eastern Crawford County, Kansas that was midway between Baxter Springs, Kansas, and Fort Scott, Kansas. Kenneth A. Spencer, whose father was among the founders of the company, was to play an important role in Kansas and Missouri philanthropy. Pittsburgh was also the most heavily unionized city in Kansas at the beginning of the 20th century. In addition to some coal mining, the economic base of the city now rests on industry. The city has a rich cultural heritage from many southern and eastern European mine workers who settled in and around Pittsburgh and southeastern Kansas. It is situated in a once productive coal field. It now relies heavily on education and government-related employment. Pittsburgh is located at 37°2437 and 94°4159 W/37.410320° and 94.699816° W/37.410320, -94.699816. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 12.90 square miles, of which 12.80 square miles is land and 0.10 square miles is water. Pittsburgh sits in the Ozark Highlands region, a mix of prairie and forests. It lies 90 miles west of Springfield, Missouri, 124 miles south of Kansas City, Missouri, and 137 miles northeast of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Pittsburgh has a humid subtropical climate bordering on a hot summer humid continental climate. Summers are very hot, humid, and uncomfortable, with as many as 73 mornings per year staying above 68° F or 20° C and 8 mornings remaining above 77° F or 25° C. Indeed, in July 2012 the temperature did not fall below 69° F or 20.6° C. The hottest morning, however, was on August 10, 2006 when the temperature did not fall below 83° F, and the hottest temperature has been 115° F on July 13 and 14, 1954. Heavy thunderstorm rains often punctuate the heat with heavy rainfall. 7.93 inches or 201.4 millimeters fell on July 30, 2013. However, long periods of dangerously hot weather without much rain are not uncommon. Only trace precipitation fell between July 28 and September 10, 2000, and only 0.22 inches between July 7 and August 20, 1984. During the fall season, temperatures cool off fairly rapidly. The last 90° F or 32.2° C temperature can be expected on September 22, and by the end of October temperatures have usually fallen to a comfortable level. Heavy rainfall from frontal systems or remnant tropical storms are common during this period. The wettest day with 8.77 inches was on September 25, 1993, a year which saw 47.85 inches between April and September as against only 10.54 inches during the same period in 1980. September 1993 was also the wettest month on record with 19.37 inches or 492.0 millimeters, while the wettest calendar year overall has been 1985 with 66.52 inches and the driest 1963 with only 21.50 inches. As with all of Kansas, winter weather is extremely variable, although extreme maxima are not as hot as in the southwest of the state as Pittsburgh is far from the influence of hot Chinook winds. Arctic outbreaks bring temperatures to or below 0° F or 17.8° C on average once per winter, while maxima over 70° F or 21.1° C can be expected 4 times between December and February. Winter weather is less dry than in most of Kansas since moist Gulf air often penetrates without reaching most of the state. December 2015 saw 7.91 inches of rain, and the very cold January 1979 saw 16 days with at least 0.01 inches or 0.25 millimeters of measurable precipitation. Because the moisture air masses are warm, heavy snowfall is uncommon in Pittsburgh. The mean is 11.9 inches or 0.30 meters and only 12 months have seen more than 10 inches or 0.25 meters, with the most in a month being 24.5 inches in January 1979. The most snow in a day has been 13 inches on December 13, 2000, and the most snow on the ground 14 inches on February 4 and 5, 2011 and March 17, 1970. Spring weather is changeable and often suspect to severe storms. Pittsburgh lies in the heart of Tornado Alley. The changeable weather from hot to cold can be accompanied by frequent heavy precipitation. Pittsburgh can expect 20.24 inches or 514.1 millimeters of precipitation between March and June, approximately what Dodge City or Liberal further west receive in a whole year. Temperatures warm up erratically during the spring. The first temperature of 80° F can be expected on March 27, but the first of 90° F does not normally occur until May 28. As of the census of 2010, there were 20,233 people, 8,142 households, and 4,087 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,580.7 inhabitants per square mile. There were 9,210 housing units at an average density of 719.5 per square mile. The racial makeup of the city was 87.1% white, 3.3% African American, 0.9% Native American, 2.0% Asian, 0.3% Pacific Islander, 3.0% from other races, and 3.4% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 6.7% of the population. There were 8,142 households, of which 27.1% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 33.3% were married couples living together, 12.2% had a female householder with no husband present, 4.8% had a male householder with no wife present, and 49.8% were non-families. 32.8% of all households were made up of individuals, and 10.8% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.31 and the average family size was 2.97. The median age in the city was 26.2 years. 20.7% of residents were under the age of 18, 27% were between the ages of 18 and 24, 23.3% were from 25 to 44, 17.3% were from 45 to 64, and 11.7% were 65 years of age or older. The gender makeup of the city was 49.9% male and 50.1% female. As of the census of 2000, there were 19,243 people, 7,980 households, and 4,213 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,546.2 people per square mile. There were 8,855 housing units at an average density of 711.5 per square mile. The people are 89.73% white, 3.11% Black/African American, 1.08% Native American, 1.94% Asian, 0.17% Pacific Islander, 1.90% from other races, and 2.08% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 3.75% of the population. There were 7,980 households, out of which 25.1% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 38.0% were married couples living together, 11.2% had a female householder with no husband present, and 47.2% were non-families. 34.5% of all households were made up of individuals, and 12.7% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.23 and the average family size was 2.91. In the city, the population was spread out, with 20.8% under the age of 18, 24.1% from 18 to 24, 24.1% from 25 to 44, 16.8% from 45 to 64, and 14.1% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 28 years. For every 100 females, there were 94.1 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 92.0 males. The median income for a household in the city was $24,221, and the median income for a family was $36,674. Males had a median income of $26,312 versus $20,132 for females. The per capita income for the city was $15,318. About 13.6% of families and 22.5% of the population were below the poverty line, including 24.2% of those under age 18 and 10.3% of those age 65 or over. Little Balkans Days is a celebration unique to Pittsburgh. This three-day festival celebrates the community's European ethnic heritage, features games, entertainment, a parade, competitions, and arts and crafts. It is held in conjunction with the Labor Day holiday. The Pittsburgh government consists of a mayor and 4 commissioners. The commission meets the second and fourth Tuesday of each month at 5:30 p.m. Pittsburgh Community Schools operates the following public schools. Private schools. The Pittsburgh Morning Sun is the main newspaper in the city, published 5 days a week. In addition, Pittsburg State University publishes a weekly student newspaper, the Collegio. Pittsburg is a center of broadcast media for southeastern Kansas. 2 AM and 5 FM radio stations are licensed to and/or broadcast from the city, and it is the second principal city of the Joplin-Pittsburgh television market. The market's CBS and Fox network affiliates both broadcast from the city along with an independent station. In late 2012, NBC News anchor Brian Williams, who started his career in Pittsburgh, Kansas as a journalist at KOAM-TV, covered the local story of a fried chicken war between Chicken Annie's and Chicken Mary's on the Travel Channel. Notable individuals who were born in and/or have lived in Pittsburgh include actor Roy Glenn, chemical entrepreneur Kenneth A. Spencer, and broadcast journalism pioneer Paul White.